Mereka is a 21st century skills center focusing on reimagining innovation for the future of work. Hi there, my name is Gurpreet Singh and I'm one part of the team here at Mereka. Our mission at Mereka is focusing on connecting these underutilized resources such as spaces, machines, expertise and knowledge with those who need it the most, especially with regards to the B40 community. There is a lot of creative hubs in this country. The problem is not the investment in resources, it's about connecting these hubs with the people who need it the most. The main reason for us to come up with this SE model is being members of the community who needed to use these services ourselves. We needed to find all sorts of things to make our imaginations come to reality. And then we realized the problems that came together with it, right? You want to put together a large structure. Yes, you need a laser cutting machine. Oh yes, they are available, but is it accessible? Is it for the public? To be honest, before Push, this whole idea was conceptual, right? We saw a need, we wanted to address it, but we did not have the financial resources available to scale. Through the Push program, not only have we been able to invest in the development work and the software architectures that will enable these interactions to occur, we've also piloted quite a few of the activities that we had planned. Over the past year, we've run close to 15 programs focused on underserved communities with particular focus on B40 youths. We're looking at how these youths could start making a difference in Malaysia. How do you move from idea to actualization of this? To date, we have over 20 social businesses who we've incubated over the course of a year. Over 30 interns at Mereka working here, understanding the principles of social businesses, and not to mention the thousands more who get to experience our programs hands-on or virtually. Mereka is a behavioral change program because the biggest waste that we found is wasted human potential. And that's what we're aiming to change. To convince local entrepreneurs that there is resources that are freely available for them to access in this country. To convince B40 youth members to actually think about social business models. It's not so easy to change a person's mind. Through the Push program, we've been able to hire a development agency to actually work on a web app digital economy model that's going to allow us to scale. These connections and the relationships you will build through this Push program will allow any SE in Malaysia to take their impact one step further.